Hello everyone, I'm Yusuf S. Abantas, and today we're gonna talking about the Global Assembly Cache, or in terms GAC. So by the way, what is Global Assembly Cache or a GAC? Global Assembly Cache stores assemblies specifically designated to be shared by several applications on the computers. So before we start, what is global? Global, it means applies to the entire machine. An assembly, what .NET calls its code libraries, or the DLLs. And the last one is cache, a place to store things for faster common access. So the GAC must be a place to store code libraries so they're accessible to all applications running on the machine. In other terms, you should share assemblies by installing them into the global assembly cache only when you need to. As a general guideline, keep assembly dependencies private and locate assemblies in the application directory unless sharing an assembly is explicitly required. In addition, it is not necessary to install assemblies into the global assembly cache to make them accessible to COM, interrupt, or unmanaged code. So, based on the handout, we have three characteristics of a GAC. So the first one is it enables several applications to share shared assemblies. And the other one is it is required to add assembly to the special directory. And the last one is it is a centralized storage location for the .NET assemblies.